We're tired today because we had a practice earlier, 8 a.m. to, let's say, 4. Pero, thank you! Koan? Yeah, practice. But, hello, Giselle! Kasi, yung mga RO talaga, yung mga nag-join pa ng RO, yung mga RO talaga, I'm a bad number, so like, yeah. That's why I say you were home. Sila kay 6:30 a.m. and then 6:30 p.m. sa naman. Sila natapos. 6:30 a.m. sila pinapunta doon. Tapos, 6:30 din sila natapos. So, 6:30 to 6:30. Ako kasi, 9 ako pumunta. So, like, 9 to 4. Yeah, 9 to 4. Are you studying? Yes. Uy, send pa. Sunday ko, guys. Gifts and gifts and gifts and gifts and gifts. So, and then, after that, punta kami sa downtown. Kumain kami ng pizza and mango shake. Tapos, yun. Ano course mo? HM. Shoutout daw kay Judy Tinambi. Nais ko sana ayan. Ipapin ako eh. Basta maganda sarap ng masarap ang luto ng hotdog. Sandy. Ito mo pa kita. Good evening. Marandang balaba ko. Ibigin